So now I got the 2x4s blocks behind that metal plate so it's tight. There's no play in those pipes. Here on this one on the right I put a shim to fill the gap between the plate and the block. Over here on the left I did it on the other side. There's a shim there. Right there, you can see that guy there, and here, right above him here, and also down there. So this plate doesn't have any give and play in it. And also cut down, let me go down here a little bit. So I cut that bottom part a little bit, and you can see the stud right here. I'm going to use the backing on the right, and then I'll put a diagonal strip of board on this corner on the left, get backing on there, and then so I'm going to do this in two parts. So the first one, well, you can see the notch there on the left. So let's go up to here, and I'm just going to glue this to the this metal plate for backing. I'm not going to thread it in, try to use a drywall screw on anything. I mean, I guess theoretically I could drill a hole and go through that, which I may do, through this metal plate. Either one. So now I'm ready to set up some more backing. Now I got to do up here, same kind of thing. Two diagonal boards, one going this way, one going this way. I'll create some wood backing in those two corners. I can use drywall screws to attach the drywall panel.